Oh yeah, I'm glad I put this tape in. I'm just gonna cruise down the road, look at the stars in the sky, and drift off into the sweet memories that I have of a love that my heart has been searching for so long. And I know somewhere, if I keep looking, that love I'll find. The picture grows clearer and clearer from the back to the front of my mind. And like love, a love I know I'll have. The girl that I want, she'll be mine, she'll be fly, and it'll last. I see her face and I can't let go. She's in my dreams and my heart, so let me know. Have you seen her? Have you seen her? Tell me, have you seen her? I'm looking for that love. She's a thought and a vision in my memory. I haven't met her, but tell me, where could she be? Have you seen her? Have you seen her? Tell me, have you seen her? I'm looking for that special love. Oh, love. Love is a feeling that the hammer definitely needs. Oh yeah. Baby, be mine. I need your love to make it. So why don't you be mine? Oh yes, be mine. The search is going on from coast to coast. A woman for the man who's popping the most. Have you seen her? My heart is beating strong. This love cannot be wrong. I need her and I want her, so come on to my home. Have you seen her? I'ma keep looking. At the movies, in my car, on my stereo, at a game of different world, or the Cosby Show. Have you seen her? Have you seen her? Yo, Bill, tell me what's up. At the track, at the club, or out buying dubs. If you seen her, then I'll help her, cause I'm in love. Have you seen her? Have you seen her? My heart is hurting so bad. Love is a feeling that I know I need. Oh yeah. Be mine, baby. I need your love to make it. Why don't you be mine? Where could she be? Have you seen her?
Happy birthday, mommy. Mwah. Bye.
Have you seen her?